today. Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video. Today, I will take you to one of the most beautiful beaches in Barcelona, Bogatell Sunny Beach. So, if you are ready for some sun, sand, and sea, let's start our journey. First of all, I must remind you to click that like button and subscribe to my channel to support my work and stay updated with my latest videos. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts and feedback about this video. As we start our walk towards Bogatell Sunny Beach, you will notice the stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
The crystal clear waters and the soft golden sand will immediately capture your heart and soul. The beach is wide, clean, and perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and playing various water sports. As we walk along the beach, you will also notice a long line of palm trees that give the beach an exotic and tropical vibe. The palm trees provide some shade and are perfect for taking some amazing photos. You will also find many beach bars, restaurants, and shops along the promenade where you can grab a drink or a snack. One of the things that make Bogatell Sunny Beach special is that it is not as crowded as some of the other beaches in Barcelona. As we reach the end of our walking tour, I hope you have enjoyed the beautiful scenery and the relaxing atmosphere of Bogatell Sunny Beach. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. And please subscribe to my channel for more walking tour videos in stunning 4 Kelvin resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!